TSplus Digital Badge Program. Add your Canvas Open badges to LinkedIn and showcase your digital certifications.
Prerequisites. Adding your Canvas badges to LinkedIn. Active LinkedIn account. Have an active and accessible professional LinkedIn account. Access to Canvas badges. Badgers. Have access with valid login credentials. Badge accepted in backpack. Have already accepted at least one badge in your backpack. Once these prerequisites are met, you can share your Canvas badges on LinkedIn.
Share your TSplus Open Badge for IT on LinkedIn. Before you start, please ensure you have already accepted your badges into your Canvas Badges backpack, created a collection for your badges, and set its visibility to public. Click on your name. Click on Account Settings. Link your social accounts, LinkedIn. Click on the LinkedIn button. Authorize Badger, Canvas Badges. Click the Authorize button. Connection successful. Your LinkedIn account is now listed under Linked Accounts. Showcase your TSplus expertise on your LinkedIn profile. Get your certification link in your backpack log into your Canvas Badges account. Go to your backpack. Click on the specific badge you want to add, e.g. TSplus Remote Support Expert. Click the Share button. Get your certification link. Click Copy to save the link to your clipboard. Keep this tab open. You'll need it for the next steps. Add the certification to your LinkedIn profile. Go to your profile by clicking on your photo or name. Scroll down to the Licenses and Certification section. Click Plus to add a new certificate. Note, if this section doesn't exist, click Add Profile section at the top of your page. Then select Licenses and Certifications under the Core category. Enter your certification details. Enter the badge's exact title, e.g. TSplus Remote Support Expert. Issuing organization. Type the issuer's name, for example, TSplus. Issue date. Select the month and year you earned the badge. Credential URL. Paste the URL you copied in Badger. This is the most critical field. Add skills related to this certification. Select relevant skills, e.g., remote support, IT troubleshooting to boost profile SEO. Attach media, proof of certification. Click Add Media. Click Add Media. Upload a screenshot of your badge or a PDF certificate if available.
Write a brief caption. Copy Badger description.
Review all details. Click Save. Certification successfully added. Your badge now appears on your profile with a Show Credential link for verification. Anyone can click on Show Credential to check its authenticity. Repeat for other certifications. Share a post to announce your new credential, increases visibility.